I need y'all to do y'all thing, right? Because I just found something out that's kind of odd that our American government is hiding from us. One of those things that I believe they're hiding from us is Africa off the coast of California. Now, hear me out. American government is lying to us, right? As far as our maps and our general location as to where we are. But when we look at maps in a different language, it paints a different picture. Case in point here, California as an island, right? Makes sense how all the land bridges, right, that they man-made to cover up that California was once an island. Okay, now look here, the Mar Vermelho, right? The Mar Vermelho, right? That means Red Sea, right? Mar Vermelho, California. Take a look at this. Old maps depict California as an island next to the Mar Vermelho, Red Sea. So I went to Copilot, which is another app like ChatGPT. It's an AI, and I asked it the same question. But it told me that the Red Sea is between Egypt and Saudi Arabia, right? Connected to the Mediterranean Sea. Now think about what I just showed you. I just showed you the Mar Vermelho, the Red Sea, right, was east of California. But yet the Red Sea, the Mar Vermelho, is between Egypt and Saudi Arabia. How is that possible? The Mar Vermelho, the Red Sea, is located between northeastern Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. I also came across a map of ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. This map proves that California is connected to Africa. Because when you see Egypt, when you see Memphis, now that paints a picture that this is America, that it's all connected. And when you see Babylon, Assyria, right, Mesopotamia, the Tigris and the Euphrates, right, the land between two rivers, you will realize that Ohio is the land between two rivers. And if my math is correct, then that would put Africa west of California, right? Because if the Mar Vermelho is northeast of Africa, Africa is in this region right here. And so there's land where they say water is. Why are they lying about our geographical location? But this is about to blow your mind because this is only scratching the surface. Why is America hiding the land of Jesus? Now, I came across this map and went down a crazy rabbit hole. And if you got this far, please like, share, and subscribe now. Tartaria is a one world establishment, right? Now, when we look here, Terre de Iesso, that means land of Jesus. Now, look right here. This says what? California. Now, wait. This map is depicting land where the Pacific Ocean is supposed to be. Why is that? Some people are going to say, oh, tectonic plates shift and all that other shit. But you mean to tell me that the tectonic plates moved that much 400 years ago? I don't think so. Somebody's lying. And the Mar de Iesso means it's the ocean of Iesso, or the water of Iesso, right? But here is Terre, right, de Iesso again, the land of Jesus. This land is connecting North America to Asia. Now, I just showed you, right, that Africa, right, is between California, right? Because California, the Merivale is northeast of Africa. So Africa is really in this region. So that means theoretically that Tartaria was the United States, the whole continents together. And someone, I believe, lied about our geographical location to divide us and to divide our resources to Europeans. Because if Africa is here connected to us, and then you got Terre de Iesso, we could walk where they tell us water is that connects us to the entire globe. More maps, right? If you can see Terre de Iesso, right? And this map shows that the land goes even farther than what we were told, meaning that there is uncharted land on our modern maps that are not on these maps. Excuse me. There's land on these old maps that are not on these modern maps. I misspoke. I apologize. But why are they lying? What is so important about the land of Jesus that you did not want us to know? Here's another map, right, of the land of Iesso running all the way north of America. Okay, ChatGPT is telling it all, right? And this is why they want to get rid of it, because they're telling us the truth of the past. Now, I just had ChatGPT create me a map of the distance between Terre de Iesso to the North Pole, as well as the distance from America Pars, which is America, right? Now, I want you guys to put two and two together, because I just showed you the map where Terre de Iesso is on the west side of America, right? But it's still 990 miles from the North Pole. If all of that land that they say is water, but if all of that land is less than 1,000 miles from the North Pole, you could walk Terre de Iesso to the North Pole. Why are they hiding this? My guess, Terre de Iesso, the land of Jesus, what if this land connects you to a higher dimension, to another realm, right? And the black North Pole, the black rock, which is right here, is the entrance to get out of this matrix. What if the man didn't commit suicide? What if he found a way out of this matrix to a higher dimension through the North Pole? And they don't want us there because the powers that be that live and create and manage this matrix can't leave. And so they're keeping us here too. But what if we are able to leave to a higher dimension here? Let me know what you think of this. Are they hiding the land of Jesus because the land of Jesus shows the route to get to the North Pole and to a higher dimension? Let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is crazy.